Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a 24-inch MOIRS chocolate die-cut cardboard sign. Beautiful, beautiful piece here. Looks like kind of like Gone with the Wind type of look to it, but again, beautiful illustrations, nicely die-cut as you can see. It's got the pop out in the back, meant to set up on some type of counter. If you are into vintage advertising, especially cardboards, this is a primo piece for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.